Okay, so I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to either register or access the textbook if you've already registered. So once you have gotten to Canvas and chosen the correct course, you can scroll down to Course Information. And then under Course Information, I've got the icon of the Econ Alive textbook right here. So when you click on that, you can ignore my login credentials there. But if you haven't created an account, you need to start by clicking on Create Account. When you do that, what you will need is my email. So there's my email right there. Go through the process of putting in your first, last name, username, password, confirm password, and then you need to save your username and password somewhere so you can retrieve that when you need it. If you've already created an account, really all you need is to put in my email address, and then hopefully you have recorded your student username and password or saved it, and then you can click sign in, and that's pretty much it. If you have any other difficulties, just make sure to communicate with me, preferably through email.